Garden seeds on sale at Tractor Supply. Stock up before it's gone. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. Are you looking for the best deals on garden seeds right now? Tractor Supply has massive discounts on high quality seeds to help you grow the perfect garden this season. From vegetables to flowers and herbs, these seeds are selling out fast. So I'm here at Tractor Supply and they have a good selection. As you can see, a huge selection of seeds that you can get, and the seeds are 25% off right now. So if you intend to plant particular seeds, you intend to get particular seeds, you might want to rush there and grab it now. They have a good selection right now. This selection might not last because people are already picking it up. They're already picking. So if you have some particular variety that you're looking for, you might be able to get it now, but later on it might be sold out. So check it out. They have seeds on sale. They have, like I said, they have organic seeds. You can have, this is Pennington seeds right here, and it's $2.99. They have a huge selection of seeds from carrots to cucumbers to spinach to corn, peppers, and spinach and so many more. So check it out, and hopefully this helps you out and you're able to get the seeds that you need to start your garden. Usually I advise my viewers and followers to get their seeds early enough, because usually at the beginning of the season you get all the selection, especially if you're looking for a particular seed, particular variety. You want to get it at the beginning of the season, because most often at the beginning of the season they have the variety, they have the selection. Anywhere, not only Tractor Supply, any store, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, at the beginning of the season they have a good selection of seeds. So if you are picky on what seeds you need, a particular variety that you need, you want to get it early in the season when they have this selection. Later on, people are going to pick most of these varieties, most of these. You only be left with what is there, and then you'll be stuck with either going to different stores looking for it and not being able to find it, or being able to get what you want. So try to get it as soon as you can, and be able to save some money in the process. So they have huge selection of flowers also over here. They have burpee seeds, they have fairy moss seeds, they have Pennington seeds. Good selection of seeds that you can. These are big, large packs. So if you intend to grow a lot of green beans, a lot of corn, a lot of different things, they have large packs that you can buy. Just one large pack that will be able to cover your garden. But if you don't want to buy a couple of small packs, you can just get a large pack. This large pack like this would help you and be able to get you going. These large packs are like $9 or $10, and these large packs can also good for people that grow for selling and stuff like that. So they have seed starting supplies over here too. If you need seed starting supplies, you can get seed starting supplies over here. They have more seeds over here. These ones over here are burpee seeds. They have more seeds over here that you can get. I usually save my own seeds, so I save about 95% of the seeds that I grow. That way I don't have to buy the seeds. But sometimes I don't have a particular variety, or I don't have a particular seed, then I come to the store and get it. But if you can save your seeds from the previous season or from this season, so that next year you don't have to buy seeds, it'll be good for you, because one, you're not gonna be buying the seeds, you save money, and two, the seeds that you harvest from your garden, they are adapted to your garden and they're gonna do much better compared to just new seeds that you get from the store. But if you need seeds, you want to get seeds, you want to get them now. They have tomato seeds on that side and different variety. Over here they have these are stems and other types of asparagus. You have the green, you have the red, and the other types of plants and bulbs that you can plant over here. These ones are packs that come in like three in the pack or so, and they give you instructions in the back on how to do it. They have potatoes here. This is a different variety of potatoes over here, and then they have garlic over here. You can see they have garlic sets over here. These ones you can just break them up and then you plant them. This is rhubarb over here. Garlic, usually best to plant garlic where I am in zone 6B. We plant garlic around October, November, so that way the roots take effect. And then they start in the spring. We start growing by themselves in the spring. Okay, if you like this video so far, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share the video, and follow me for more videos like this. So over here we have asparagus, we have potatoes, and they have, like I said, they have different selections of potatoes. They have different selections of different bulbs over here. I'm going to show you the various onions that they have. They have the red onions, you can see, and they have the yellow onions, they have the white onions. So they have a good selection of onions here. So if you intend to plant onions, you intend to grow onions, you want to grab the onion sets over here, that would be great. You'll be able to see some of them already started growing from the back. So you'll be able to get your onions. You can plant your onions early because they're cold weather. They can resist the cold weather, and they'll still thrive in the cold weather. So if you want to plant onions, you can plant some of the things that you can plant early. So over here we have more potatoes, a different variety of potatoes. Down here, let me know in the comments below if you buy your own, you buy your seeds, if you buy most of your seeds, or you save your seeds. I just want to know what people are doing, and also let me know, where do you get your seeds? What's the best places that you get your seeds? Is it online? Is it in store? Is it in garden centers? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So they have garlic over here. They have more seeds on this side over here, and these are like bulbs and flowers. They have a good selection of bulbs and flowers over here. You can see some of them already producing leaves up there. On the various flowers that they have up here, they're already producing leaves. You just plant them in and they'll just continue thriving and going. Over here they have some fruits. They have fruit vines and trees, fruit trees and fruit vines over here. You can see blueberries, raspberries, grapes, and so many different fruits over here. So I planted some raspberries about 5-6 years ago, and they're still producing every year. This is great. It's a one-time thing. Once you plant it and you get it, it's a perennial, and it comes in on year after year. So something like this is good in the garden. Down here they have strawberries and different figs and other fruits that you can plant. Down here they have more of the same things, different variety of blueberries and other fruit trees, blackberries, and so they have a good selection of it right now. So like I said, at the beginning of the season like this, they just put these things out not too long ago. So at the beginning of the season, you get a good selection. You're able to pick through it and see and get what you want, and then you're good. So here you have an elephant egg, and you have elephant ear, and you have other plants too down there. So they have a good selection of stuff. So this is good. If you need help with your planting, your growing, your garden, check out my videos on 7 Savings Garden YouTube channel. 7 Savings Garden YouTube channel. You'll be able to find more videos on gardening, seed starting, growing in the greenhouse, and planting fruits and other stuff. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share the video to friends and family, subscribe or follow me for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and happy growing, everybody.